America, hey, la la la. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Bizaan-Ayaa. Bizaan-Ayaa. Be still. Be quiet. But it's also, shut up. Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel. You're an angel to me. Shut up, shut up. Woo! Shut up, shut up. I remember torturing my little sister with that. I don't even remember the song that well. But she'd come in and say, hey, Mom says you got to do the dishes. And I'd be like, Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel, Johnny. And she'd get mad just when I'd start singing it. Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel. You're an angel to me. Shut up, shut up. Woo! Shut up, shut up. And she'd get real offended when you tell her to shut up. Hey, shut up, Bizaan-Ayaa. Shut up. Not enough people say Bizaan-Ayaa. Hey, shut up. It's gotten, we're living in a time of, they're so angry because their voices aren't heard. Well, you know what? Bizaan-Ayaa, shut up. I don't even want to debate it anymore. Oh, Paul Bunyan. He's a racist. He's a big white man. He's a racist. We should tear down that statue. Hey, I could sit and debate with you about whether or not America's, more racist now than it was in the 60s. But instead, I'm just going to say, Bizaan-Ayaa, shut up. Have you heard about this one? Oh, now, this is a new idea. Did you know Jesus wasn't really a white man? I'm not going to sit here and debate with you. Bizaan-Ayaa. Oh, we should tear down all the statues, all the paintings of Jesus because they're racist. Oh, really? How about this? Bizaan-Ayaa. Shut up. It was on the news recently. It was like Sean King or whoever. The white guy who's in charge of Black Lives Matters. I mean, talk about white privilege. You can take over Black Lives Matters if you're Sean King. He says, we should tear down all the paintings of Jesus because they're racist. He probably didn't have blue eyes. Well, okay, dummy. Bizaan-Ayaa. This is what you wouldn't know because you're not an artist. But artists, when they paint, you kind of, it ends up looking like yourself. If you look at these cartoons around here, all the cartoons kind of look like Michael. He doesn't want them to. He just ends up doing that. So Michelangelo, these great painters, whatever. Bizaan-Ayaa. I don't want to debate it. Who cares? I'm not concerned with your opinions anymore. I'm just saying shut up. This is fun. What else can you say shut up about? Oh, global warming. Okay, whatever. Bizaan-Ayaa, shut up. I'm not gonna recycle. I don't care. Bizaan-Ayaa. Hey man. Don't you know that women only get paid 73 cents per every dollar? Hey, you know what? Bizaan-Ayaa, shut up. We've already debated that. You got Elmo talking about racism on Sesame Street now. I couldn't even get through it. And for the first time, you see Elmo's dad, right? And it's this guy who's obviously not a regular member. It's like, and Elmo is just, how old is he supposed to be? Because he's never heard of the term, racism. And so they're introducing the idea. And his dad's like, well, you know, Elmo, not every place is like Sesame Street. There are some people who are judged by the color of their skin. It's like, yeah, Elmo. There are some people who certain allegations are thrown out only because of the statute of limitations. So get off your soapbox and Bizaan-Ayaa. Shut up. Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel. You're an angel to me. Bizaan-Ayaa, Bizaan-Ayaa. All right. Well, you have been watching BOOZHOO Nano BOOZHOO. Miigwech Bizaan-Ayaa. Thank you for listening. And if you're offended by something, Bizaan-Ayaa. Shut up. I will see you again. Gigawaba min. Minawa. Hoa. Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel. Bizaan, Bizaan. Welcome to BOOZHOO. Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Neiman Waindam G-A-I-On Omanungoon. In English that means I'm happy to be here today. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll learn for me. Learn how to speak Ojibwe. Welcome to Nano BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here today. I saw her today at the reception. A glass of wine in her hand. I knew she was gonna meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. No, no, no. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find it's a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Well, I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Oh. That was great, you guys.